Hi folks, I just wanted to put a quick question out there because I'm not really sure of the answer myself. Here we are at Neumayer again. I put one on earlier with some guys stood around in weird kind of spacesuits pointing up to the sky. But people were saying now, I've got both of these frames from two different cameras of the same base. They're obviously one's a distance away compared to the other. Now, let's just step it forward as presumably what is the moon. The sun's gone down, and as you see, the moon's coming up. Now, in previous debates, when this other object appears around there, people say it can't be an object because it's camera lens flare because it overlaps the building. So it's not an object. But yet, this is an object, and that still overlaps the building, and that's not camera lens flare, they would argue. I mean, obviously, the fact that it overlaps the building, it's flare, but it doesn't stop it from being an object. Let's step it on. Now, as you see, it overlapped the building, and then this object comes through. Yes, it overlaps the building. Now, I'm not saying it isn't camera flare. It could be. It could be camera flare. But the argument that it overlaps the building, so it's obviously got to be camera flare, is not a very good one. Because so does the other object, probably the moon. As you can see, that does as well. Now, if we move over to the other camera and step that forward, there's the moon. It's running at the same sequence time as I just showed you on the other camera. Now, as you see, this one I find curious because it's like there's two objects in shot, the same as there was round there. Camera flare at the bottom of it, and two objects. Strange. As I say, they could all be camera flare off of the moon, but I found it interesting and thought it was worth putting on. So, stay safe, and thanks for watching the video.